crash.
All right, stop the car. Stop the car.
I'm gonna crash. Get out the car, bro.
All right, stop. Stop.
Throw the gun out.
Stop.
Throw the gun out. I'm gonna crash this motherfucker, bro.
Stop the car.
Get out the
Stop the
car.
car.
Get out the car, bro.
Hey, stop. Stop.
I'm gonna crash, bro.
Don't. It's not worth it.
Hey, it is worth it, bro. I got family, bro.
All right, talk to me.
No,
Talk
bro.
to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Before the body cam reached that point, Antioch officers were responding to a robbery in progress at a Food Max on Lone Tree Way. Police said a suspect vehicle had backed into the front doors, and one of the suspects was reported to be armed. When officers arrived, the black SUV was still at the entrance. For a second, the plan looked simple: pin the vehicle, get hands visible, and stop the suspect from escaping. But the driver, identified by police as Dominic De Souza, was not done moving.
Let me see your ass. Hey! Get the fuck out the car! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Officer Travis Donaldson moved to the passenger side. As the struggle started, the SUV lurched forward. Donaldson was pulled inside, and suddenly this was no longer just a robbery call. A police officer was trapped in the suspect's car while it was moving through city streets.
Let me see your head! Let me see your head! Hey! Hey! Let me see your head! Let me see your fucking head! Hey! Stop the car! Stop the car!
From here, listen to the body cam.
Hey!
Donaldson is trying to keep the driver talking while also finding a way to stop the car without jumping into the road.
Stop! Hey! Stop the car! Stop!
Get out the car, bro.
Stop the car!
Get out.
Stop the car!
Get out.
Stop the car!
Get out. I'm gonna crash.
Hey!
I'm gonna crash. I'm gonna crash.
All right, stop the
I'm gonna
car!
crash.
Stop the car!
I'm gonna crash. Get out the car, bro.
All right, stop! Stop!
Throw the gun out.
Stop!
Throw the gun out. I'm gonna crash this motherfucker, bro. I
Stop
ain't
the
going to
car!
jail. Get out
Stop the car!
Get out the car, bro.
Hey!
The danger is not just the speed. From this angle, Donaldson is wedged inside a moving car with almost no control over the wheel, the doors, or the next turn. Jumping out sounds simple until the vehicle is still moving and the officer has no clean landing.
Talk to me! Talk to me!
That's not gonna work, bro. That's not gonna work.
Stop! I'll shoot! I will shoot your ass! Stop!
I got a friend. Just get out, bro. Please.
Stop!
Just get out the car, bro.
Stop!
Just get out the car.
I will put one in you!
Just get out the car, please.
Stop!
Just get out the car, please.
Stop!
Just get out the car.
Stop! I'm not gonna jump. You need to stop the car for me to get out.
Okay, you're not gonna shoot me?
Yeah, I'm not gonna shoot you. I would have shot you already.
Okay, just get out.
Stop!
please.
Stop!
I'm gonna get out. Just,
Stop!
I'm
Stop!
gonna go like 10 miles an hour.
Stop! Stop the car! Stop the car!
Notice the escalation. He does not fire immediately. He gives repeated commands, keeps trying to talk the driver down,
Okay.
then gives a specific warning that he will shoot the leg if the car does not stop.
You're gonna kill us, bro.
You need to stop! Hey, stop the car! Stop the car!
Don't do it.
Stop the... Stop the car!
Don't do it.
Stop the car!
Turn right.
Stop the fucking car! Stop! Stop! I will shoot you! I will shoot you! Stop! Z5, shots fired.
After the shot, police say De Souza crashed, ran from the vehicle, and continued into a nearby neighborhood. Officers later found him hiding in bushes and took him into custody.
Z5, one shot fired. Subject's bailed out of the car.
Hey, he's right here! He's right here! Slow down. One command. Just one person get command. Hey, you got it?
You in the bushes! Let me see your fucking hands right now! He's not moving.
Yeah, go. Get up there, walk across.
Here, all of your hands. I'm switching taser. I'm switching taser.
I got him right here. Don't move.
Let me see both your hands right now. You're gonna get tased.
You're gonna get tased. Let me see your hands. Put your hands up.
According to Antioch Police, prosecutors filed charges including kidnapping, robbery, burglary, grand theft, assault with a deadly weapon on a peace officer, and unlawful vehicle taking. The suspect was treated for a non-life-threatening leg injury. That is why the outcome matters. Police say the shots stopped the ride, De Souza ran, and officers later found him hiding nearby. The charges described by Antioch Police are allegations from the public release, not a verdict.
Yeah, go. Get up there, walk across.
Here, all of your hands. I'm switching taser. I'm switching taser.
I got him right here. Don't move.
Let me see both your hands right now. You're gonna get tased.
Hey, you're gonna get tased. Let me see your hands. Put your hands out. Like an airplane. All right?
Let's see the other hand.
No, hands up. Keep your hands up. Do not move them until I tell you to. Do not move them until I tell you. Cross.
The tactical question is brutal. Once an officer is trapped inside a moving suspect vehicle, every option is bad. Keep talking, jump, or force a stop. That is the moment this case turns on.